Welcome to the Memorizing Tarot Cards podcast, your 3-minute lessons on learning and memorizing each card using symbolism. I use the Rider Waite Tarot if you would like to view the card while you listen using your own tarot card deck or computer. Today, we're exploring the Seven of Cups, focusing on reversals. First, let's start with the divine meaning of the card, and then the meaning when reversed. The Seven of Cups upright is often associated with choices, daydreams, and illusions. It presents us with many possibilities, some realistic and some fantastical, which can lead to confusion or indecision. When reversed, it indicates a shift toward clarity. You may have been overwhelmed by too many options or distracted by unrealistic desires, but now you're starting to focus on what truly matters. The reversed Seven of Cups suggests that you're moving away from wishful thinking and taking practical steps to turn your dreams into reality. It's a card of grounding, where illusions fade, and you're able to make clear, informed decisions. When the Seven of Cups reversed appears in a reading, it's often a sign that it's time to get practical and focused. If you've been scattered or overwhelmed by too many options, this card suggests that you can now narrow your choices and commit to a specific path. It encourages you to take decisive action rather than remaining stuck in indecision. This card may also indicate that you've gained clarity on a previously confusing or deceptive situation. Whether in relationships, work, or personal growth, the Seven of Cups reversed suggests that you see things as they truly are and are ready to move forward confidently. For example, my reversed Seven of Cups moment was closing down my retail business, Carrie's Closet. I ran it for 6 years, and even though I had a lot of fun and made some money, I needed my full-time job to support the ebbs and flows throughout the year. It never really stood on its own year-round. Deciding to close it down so that I could reduce my load to one full-time job instead of two is where my wishful thinking of the Seven of Cups upright finally reversed, and I had to look at things practically. What I was doing was not sustainable for any level of my well-being. This card reminds us that clarity and focus are vital to making empowered decisions and moving forward. Remember, the key to mastering tarot is practice. As you continue to listen to these 3-minute lessons, the card symbolism will become more ingrained in your memory. Thank you for tuning in. Keep practicing and join us for more 3-minute lessons to memorize more cards. Your dedication will surely pay off.